Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video lecture, I will explain you reinforcement details for this respected site. So this site is placed in east facing direction. So it will be consisting of 20 feet in east facing and west facing and 60 feet in south facing as well as north facing direction. This is my house plan, which is consisting of double bedroom hall kitchen portion. So in my upcoming video I will explain details about this respective whole plan. So I will attach this respective plan in description. Please check the plan once for this respected house. So I will show you the first two column reinforcement details. So this is my first column for this respected house, which is consisting of 9 inches cross 14 inches for this respected first column. So this is the reinforcement for this respected column. It is contained 6 number of bars for this respected first column. So this is the 8 mm bar which is provided for the ties. So this is the 16 mm bar which is provided for the column, the main reinforcement, and this is the 12 mm bar. So center to center distance between the ties was of 150 mm for this respected first column. So this is the profile for first column. Now I will show you the second column profile for this respected house. So this is my second column, which is consisting of 9 inches cross 9 inches is the dimensions for this respected column. So again this reinforcement is also consisting of 16 mm bar and 12 mm bar. So again 16 mm bar for this second column also. So this is the profile for second column. Now I will explain you third column. So this is my third column for this respected house. So this is the dimensions of the bars. So it is also contains 16 mm for the main reinforcement, again 12 mm for the respected reinforcement. So this is 9 cross 12 column for this respected column. So this is the profile for third number of column. Now I will show you the fourth column for this respected house. So this is my fourth column. So this is the reinforcement for this respected column. So it is also consisting of 16 mm bars as well as 12 mm bars. So here the labor was making a mistake while reinforcement for this respected fourth number of column. So this is the profile for fourth number of column in the right hand section. It is also consisting of stirrups of 150 mm center to center distance. Now I will explain you fifth number of column. So this is my fifth column for this house, which is also contain same reinforcement values, 16 mm bar for the main reinforcement, 12 mm bar for the secondary, and 16 mm for the main reinforcement. Stirrups is also consisting of 8 mm and center to center distance between the stirrups will be consisting of 150 mm for this respected fifth number of column. Now I will explain you sixth number of column reinforcement details. So this is my sixth column for this respected house, which is also having same distance of 9 inches cross 12 inches. So this is the 16 mm and 12 mm bars which is provided for this column. Again I will show you the seventh number of column. So this is the seventh number of column reinforcement details for this house. So which is consisting of same reinforcement values, which is of 8 mm, 12 mm as well as 16 mm for the seventh number of column also. So now I will show you the eighth number of column. So this is my eighth column for this respected house, which is consisting of same reinforcement value, but the dimensions of the column is 9 inches cross 14 inches. So the reinforcement values is showing for this respected 8th number of column. So again I will show you the 10th number of column reinforcement details. So this is my 10th number of column reinforcement details for this respected house. For this column also they made a mistake for the reinforcement. So this is the values for the reinforcement, which is also consisting of 16 mm and 12 mm and 8 mm. So this is my next column for this respected house, which is of 9th number. So this is the reinforcement for diagram for this respected column. So they are provided a septic tank here in the west facing direction. So again I will show you the last number of column for this respected house. So this is my 11th number of column for this respected house, which is also consisting of same reinforcement values, but the distance is 9 inches cross 14 inches for this. Now I will show you the reinforcement details value for the respected compound wall column. So this is my compound wall column for this respected house, which is consisting of 6 inches cross 6 inches column, which is consisting of 8 mm bars for the throughout the column section for this respective house, and stirrups is also consisting of 8 mm bars for this respected whole columns for the compound wall. So this is the reinforcement details of this respective house in east facing direction. So in my upcoming videos I will explain you some site related videos for this respected construction Thank you.